Hi, my name is Simon Blythe. I'm the General Manager for our core systems in a company called STA Travel. STA Travel is one of the biggest student youth travel companies in the world. Like most organizations, global organizations these days, we've got a multi-tier stack. We have applications working on .NET, on Java. We've got through to SQL and through to Oracle databases, to some really crazy databases out there which are really legacy and old. So we have a broad suite of different technologies that we actually work on. We had so many challenges with our systems. We spent so much time running around trying to decipher individual problems or just general system instability. And so, you're in a difficult situation where the business is really crying out for stability and insight into what's going on to your application. But we didn't have that because we were sort of looking at individual log files on different servers, different teams, and just trying to join those dots took hours and hours and hours of analysis to actually really get to what the problem was. We had some external consultancy to help us evaluate better tools out there in the marketplace to essentially improve the performance of the systems. There were other tools on the market which were quite, we evaluated it, it was really complex to set up. Took a lot of configuration and effort, far more so than AppDynamics. It was also price prohibitive, certainly when you're putting agents on hundreds of servers. So those were certainly two key criteria: was being able to set it up in a easy configurable manner, and obviously being able to traverse the technology that we had in place. So .NET, Java, through to database level. Working with application performance and having done a proof of concept with them on AppDynamics, which auto-discovered and set up on our system, it matched all the criteria that we needed. It discovered everything we needed to see, and certainly the licensing model was attractive to us. And so we chose AppDynamics for that reason. Some critical problems we've discovered and resolved using AppDynamics is we had real instability where servers needed to be restarted, more so than daily. It was every 4 hours. And what the tool managed to tell us was we had a real memory problem. And AppDynamics helped us actually discover exactly where in the system the slowest components were. So on that multi-tier system, we knew in one particular part of the system, that's where it was really taking 80% of the time. So that's where the focus was, that's where some key code refactoring was done to improve that. Using AppDynamics, we also were able to discover at individual transaction level problems that customers were facing. And so, for instance, a flight search, we could see on certain transactions that were failing, the customer was trying to search from a particular city to another city, and the city just wasn't loaded in our Ajax model. So they couldn't find the city they were looking for. So they would type in the city, it would fail. And we managed to reduce error rates from about 8% down to 4% based on that one particular error that we found. My favorite feature on AppDynamics is, there's quite a few, but will probably be being able to drill down into the transaction at a really detailed level and working with developers and other parts of the application. But if I was to use AppDynamics, I would recommend it to from small to medium and large organizations. Any system out there that has multiple users that you can't speak to day and understand what's going on, you need a tool that gives you that insight. So it really does pay for itself. It's a good investment.